Do you know what's the secret to a healthy human body? It's all in the hands of your bean-shaped organs, the kidneys. They can make your life or push you one step closer to the deathbed. For life sustainability, it is advised to regularly cleanse your kidneys using natural food sources such as fruits. Put on your sunglasses as we are going to discuss the 6 magical fruits to improve your kidney health. Watermelon. Let's begin with the juicy, all-time favorite summer fruit. Watermelon is called the powerhouse of hydration as it contains over 90% water by weight. It's a delicious summertime fruit with all the health benefits and no downsides. You can call it the fruit celebrity with 0 haters. Research has shown that watermelon is a natural diuretic that reduces blood pressure and improves blood circulation to maintain cardiovascular health. Being a water-filled fruit, it helps boost kidney health because kidneys depend on excess water to remove toxins, and watermelon provides ample water supply. But its functionalities do not end here. Watermelon also helps in the detoxification process and is usually recommended to people who have had kidney transplants. This delicious fruit is filled with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and thus acts as a natural tonic for your renal system. The high water content in this superfruit helps reduce the risk of kidney stones and also regulates blood pressure. The red part of the watermelon contains a red carotenoid pigment called lycopene. And what could be better to improve your kidney health than lycopene? This antioxidant protects your body from heart disease, high blood sugar, cancer, and other kidney problems. A surprising study has discovered that lycopene can significantly reduce the risk of death and acts as a lifesaver. What's best? You can take watermelon in any form, cut it into slices, or add it to your salad or fruit dessert. It perfectly fits with every meal. So why not revitalize yourself with watermelon and give your kidney the love and care it deserves? Grapes. Our next magical kidney fruit is none other than grapes. These sweet jewels are filled with antioxidants called flavonoids, the powerful phytochemical compound with anti-inflammatory properties. Healthcare experts have stated that grapes of any kind, either white or red, can significantly boost your kidney health by improving renal functions and preventing hypertension or diabetes. Take red grapes as an example. These antioxidants and nutrient-rich fruits are excellent against kidney damage. They are high in vitamin C and a natural polyphenolic compound called resveratrol. Don't get confused by the name, as resveratrol is the crucial fighter that improves heart health and reduces the risk of chronic kidney disease. But that's not all about this super vibrant fruit. These red grapes also fight against oxidative stress and support the optimal functioning of your bean-shaped organs. They also contain natural diuretic properties to flush out toxins and harmful waste products from the body. So the next time you take grapes, don't underestimate their health-packed benefits, especially for your kidneys. Add them to your diet and get back healthy kidneys. Apple. You might have heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." That's exactly what this superfruit does to your kidneys. Apple is a rich source of pectin, which is a soluble polysaccharide used widely in your favorite jams and jellies. It's a soluble fiber that can lower glucose levels and maintain cholesterol. It is highly antioxidant and contains anti-inflammatory properties that heal kidney infections. The pectin in apples also helps reduce the risk of kidney stones by eliminating inflammation in the body. The potential benefits of this kidney-friendly fruit do not end here. Apple is also a great source of vitamin C, which helps protect from major kidney injuries. Studies suggest that vitamin C speeds up the healing process and thus proves effective in treating patients with kidney problems. However, be cautious not to take a high dose of vitamin C, as its higher content can harm your kidneys and cause stones. So, a moderate amount should be on your dietary intake list. Share in the comments what's your daily fruit intake or how many apples you consume to stay on a healthy lifestyle. Strawberry. Our next magical fruit on the list is the sweet, soft, red superfruit strawberry. It is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also contains health-packed benefits for your kidney. They are low in sodium and phosphorus, thus the best food source for patients with hemodialysis. Statistically, 1.5 cups of strawberries contain 130 milligrams of potassium, which protects the body from oxidative damage. With their natural diuretic properties, strawberries add to the regulating functions of kidneys and treat various chronic diseases. What's more magical is that every juicy bite of this sweet fruit contains 2 types of phenols, anthocyanins and L-agitannins. These organic compounds improve kidney functions and alleviate inflammation associated with kidney problems. Plus, strawberries have a high water content that helps kidneys flush out toxins and harmful waste products. Add this superfruit to your salad or take it as a whipped topping in summer to heal your kidneys within days. Berries. Remember those small, pulpy, bright-colored fruits, the berries? These are more than just colorful confetti. They are rich in nutrients or antioxidants. For instance, blueberries contain essential nutrients called anthocyanins, flavored pigments that protect against heart disease, diabetes, and other diseases. Similarly, cranberries contain phytonutrients called A-type proanthocyanidins that prevent urinary tract and kidney infections. They are flavor-packed superfruit that reduces the risk of kidney diseases. Their antioxidant properties block harmful bacteria from entering the walls of the urinary tract and thus reduce urinary infections in the body. The best thing is you can take these superfruits in whatever way you desire. Eat them in dried form, cook them, or drink them as juice. The same goes for cranberries. Take them in multiple forms, such as dried, fresh, or juice. You can also sprinkle them on your salad and enjoy the healthy benefits of this magical fruit. Pineapple. You might be familiar with the large, juicy tropical fruit. Apart from a tropical delight, pineapple is also a natural kidney-healing fruit. It is lower in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, serving as the best food to add to your daily diet. The vitamin A in this juicy tropical fruit helps in the normal functioning of your kidneys, so you can live a healthier life on this planet. What's exceptional is the proteolytic enzyme bromelain, which is found in the pineapple stem and supports the kidneys with its incredible anti-inflammatory power. So, next time you take this juicy fruit, know that every sip is a healthier step towards a happy and kidney disease-free life. And that wraps up our 6 magical kidney-friendly fruits that will save you from the deathbed. Each of them is highly nutritious, contains unique antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, and does not put much strain on your kidneys. Enjoy the health-packed benefits of these superfruits and heal your bean-shaped organs. Share in the comments which one is your all-time favorite fruit and how you like to take them in your daily diet. Plus, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more healthy updates.